Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called the fried pork with scrambled eggs. Chinese name called 木须肉. This is the original 木须肉. I have a video it's called new 木须肉 or new the fried pork with the scrambled eggs. And today I will make the original one. And the main ingredient we need a piece of pork loin. And 1 pound pork loin, and 5 eggs, 5 whole eggs, and this is the dried lily flowers. It's called 黄花菜 in Chinese or 金针菜, and we need probably just a small bunch of it. We don't need this much. I just want to show you the whole bag so you know what kind of buy. It doesn't matter which brand, just buy this. Well, we also need the black wood ear mushroom. This black wood ear mushroom, and you can buy from Asian market. And sometimes they call it black fungus. Oh yeah, it's just a mushroom. And Chinese name called moor. We just need a small handful. We don't need a lot. And then also need a leek. And you can have all. If you don't have leek, you can whole. In China, we use the whole garlic. When the garlic grows like this, we just pull the garlic and use it. You can use half leek or whole leek. It's up to you. We also need 1 tablespoon of ginger. You can use 1 teaspoon. It's also up to you. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. This is black wood ear mushroom, and we cut it. We open, cut it. And we open. We don't need a lot. We just get this much. I mean, just this much is totally enough for us because it's dry when you, yeah, that's enough. And this is hot water. We add hot water to it. So let it soak in the hot water, and it will soak probably for half hour, 20 minutes or half hour, and it will become bigger. Add 2 thirds of water to the little pot and turn the stove high fire and heat the water until water is boiling. Whereas the water is heating, we resin the leek, and we will cut the leek and then wash it. We cut it, the root part off, cut from this part. So we need to go to wash this part, also wash the leaves, 1 leaf by 1 leaf, because there's a lot of soil in it. So we need to wash very careful. The leek leaves, we wash the 1 leaves by 1 leaves, make sure there's no soil and sand in. And for the bottom part, we can see if we see some sad soil, so we open and cut it and open and to wash it, peel off every pieces, so this we won't no have sad or soil. So we cut the leaves first. The leaves we cut like this. We cut it this long first, and then we will cut it. Make it like this. We cut it like this. Cut it very thin. So the final will be like this. To the leek stem part, and we cut it from the middle. Cut it this long. Cut it this long. Then we just cut it like this. Cut it like this. And just cut it very thin, like cut leaves as thin as possible. So the final will be like this. This is the leeks we get. When the water is boiling, this is the dried lily flowers, or called 金针菜 or 黄花菜. And we add a small handful. We don't need to use this much. We just add a handful. I think it's a handful, and a small handful, that's enough. We just let it boil in the water. Boil in the water to process this vegetable. Boil it for 1 minute, because if you don't process it, this vegetable actually is poison. After we boil this for 1 minute, we can off the stove and just leave it there until it's cooled down. Okay, we cut this broccoli. This broccoli we just slice it. Try as soon as possible. Probably this thing. Yeah, after slice it, we put it like this, then we just cut like this. So the final meat will be like this. When it's very thin, you will cut it like this. Just be careful. Cut one more. Just be very careful. Try to slowly to move. Don't cut. Don't push it too hard. Slowly move so then be 2 pieces. Okay. After that, we put it here. Yeah. Now you can see the black wood mushroom become big when it's dried right now. It's very elastic. Okay. So right now we drain the water and use the cold tap water to rub it, to rinse the black wood here, but don't be too hard. Don't do it too hard, and just drain the water and rinse it a few times. Okay, turn off the water and drain the water. You can use a strainer to do this. I use the finger here, strainer to do this to drain all the water. Okay, we'll cut this black wood mushroom. First, we find to see this part, the part connect to the black to the wood. That part, if they're big pieces, you just cut it. I checked it. This is not very bad. Don't have a big pieces of wood. If it's a big piece of wood, you can use the knife or the finger to pinch it off. And this, I don't see a lot. This is just use cut the one to cut the bottom. They connect to the wood because this mushroom grew on the wood. So now we cut it. So we cut it like this. This mushroom, we cut it like this. So the final will be like this. This is the black wood ear mushroom. More we get. This is the yellow lady flower. 黄花菜, we get it. We just drain the water. Don't drain the. You can use the strainer to it, but don't get the vegetable flower out. So we add cold tap water to cool down this. We cool down. Then we drain the water. For this flower, we need to put them like this part together, because it's easy for us to cut it. And we put them like this. And we also do this because sometimes when people pick up this flower, they still have you see, have a hard look. You can see this hard part on it. This part we need to pinch it off because it's hard. You can't eat it. It's hard. After we put them and in our hand like this, we need to do what? We need to squeeze it. With your hand squeeze it, squeeze it hard, but not too hard, to let the liquid water in the vegetable out. We cut this yellow lily flower. We cut it from the middle. Okay, it's done. We put it into the with the blackwood ear mushroom. This is the. Okay, we crack the eggs. This is a plain salt. We add a pinch of plain salt. Don't add too much. This is found spices. We add a pinch of found spices. If you don't have found spice, just add a pinch of black pepper. It also works. Now we mix it. Mix it. We poke the yellow part and mix it. You can use a mixed mixes. Either is okay. Okay. Turn the stove. Heat fire. And put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. And raise the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the eggs into the hot oil. Before we just mix it. Okay, we save this bowl, this bowl, and to put our eggs later. Try to make the eggs small, little smaller, but not too small. Right now, you don't see any runny eggs, and you can see the egg. Some egg is a little burned. That means this scrambled egg is done. Turn off the stove and put it into the bowl we use. On the stove, medium fire, put the pot on. Because the pot is already hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Don't add too much. And raise the pot. This pot is already hot. When the oil is hot, we add the 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon chopped ginger into it. Slowly fry until but not burn the ginger, until the ginger releases good smell. When the ginger releases good smell, we add the pork into it. Cut pork into it. So slowly fry until the pork, the fat, and no water come out, no liquid in the pot, and just the pork and the oil and the fat. We slowly fry. After fry a little while, you can see in the pot have some liquid water stuff. We just slowly fry until those liquid is gone, and just the oil and the pork fat and the pork into this pot. The fat and go to the oil. When the liquid is gone, just the pork and the oil and the pork fat in the oil. Not a lot of liquid. We add the yellow lily flower and the blackwood ear mushroom to it. Okay, let's start frying. Keep frying. This is the certain spices. If you don't have certain spices, you use found spices, or just you add a pinch of black pepper. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. If it's not enough, you can add more later. Just slowly fry. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Okay, now we add the egg into it. We fry it. This is the leek. Now we add the leek to it. This is the chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it, not too much. And fry. This is the water. We add a quarter cup of cold tap water to it and fry it. Cover the lids and let this veggie cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, okay, we mix it, we stir fry it, and we try the leeks. The leek is fully cooked. We try the flavor is good. We try the meat. The meat is very tender and juicy. The flavor is good, so this dish is done. So the fried pork with scrambled eggs, Chinese name called 木须肉. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.